Workflow at a standstill because of the Safemon Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix the 360 security conflict for good. Avoid long manual edits for Safemon library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Safemon library, the Safe Monitor library. It manages the unmanaged localized real-time protection hooks for 360 total security. It facilitates the data link between the localized kernel driver and the antivirus UI manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Safemon Library DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Safemon library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Please use caution. Replacing Safemon Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Safemon library dependencies. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Safemon library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.